Kariuki. I chair the Kenya Re board and I am an economist. The NicoFit campaign is a brainchild of the Kenya Re board, and it was formed around, the idea came around the 2010 to the board because they were thinking of a CSR project that would have an impact on the population of the country. The motto of NicoFit is ability beyond disability. So the people who are living with the disabilities in this country sometimes get a raw deal. They are looked upon as people who are not measuring up to what's expected of them. Yet there is a gap. Sometimes they are not enabled to do what they are able to do. So we aim at providing devices that would enable somebody who is living with a disability to achieve their purpose, to be able to actually be independent in their life. NicoFit as a CSR project has actually impacted about 1,000 people in the provision of all those devices, the wheelchairs, the tricycles, the walking canes, hearing aids, a lot of, even some for the prostheses for walking. So we have actually impacted many people. We have been enabled some people to get a tricycle to be able to go and start up a business. NicoFit is the board's baby, and as a chairman of that board, it gives me a lot of pleasure to know we are on the right track. As a corporation, we have put a portion of our profits towards that as our CSR, and that recognition gives us even more feel that we need to do more, and as we continue to do more, we need to do more in the society that we live in. So being nominated is something for not only for the board, it's for the staff that have worked very hard to see the success of the project. It is for the whole of Kenya Re as a family, and we are excited and we are looking forward to being there and to continue impacting their lives.